Hi friends, now one more topic in Python, that is booleans. So booleans represent one or two values. So that is it has either true or false, only these two possibilities. Okay. So the total subtopics belongs to boolean. Okay, in programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. So Boolean function can be classified as various subtopics as the Boolean values, evaluate values and variables, and most values are true, some values are false. Function can return a Boolean. Okay, the first one is this is actual Boolean values. So, when you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. For example, you are writing print 10 is greater than 9. Okay. This is actually example. Then what you will get the result is that is actual true, because here 10 is greater than 9. Simply you are writing another example is print of 10 is equal to, double equal symbol 9. What you will get the result is false. Why? Because both are not same. Okay. Next one is print 10 is less than 9. That is also false, because 10 is greater than 9. Then one more example for this based on this expression. Here, for example, A is equal to 300 and B is equal to 50. Then you can apply the if condition. If B is greater than A, then you can write that expression is print here B is, if the condition is satisfied, as B is greater than A, else. Okay, after ending of this if, you have to use colons. Next else also colon. Then you can write print B is not greater than A. Then after execution of this result, you can check that B value is 50, A value is 300. So that's why you will be get B value is not greater than this. So automatically result will be this result you will be get B is not greater than A. Next one is evaluate values and variables. For example, you are writing this print of Boolean function is value we prefer BOOL. Boolean of, simply you are having that name is quotation. Okay. Then that you will get the result is true. Result value true. Simply you are taking that print that is here Boolean of, for example, if you take the number is 15, then that is you can evaluate both integer as well as strings. Next one is most values are true. The best example is simply you can take Boolean function BOOL. In terms of string you are taking that ABC. Okay, next one is Boolean of 1, 2, 3, and a Boolean of list. You can take these values are apple, without having this close bracket. Then you can take cherry, banana, like that you can take. So after execution of these three instructions, you will be get true or false. That is the conclusion of Boolean. True, like that you can take. Next one is sometimes you may prefer that some values are false. Okay, so simply you can take this boolean of false, capital F, like that you can do. You will get the result is false. Okay, next boolean of none, you will be get false. Okay, boolean of 0, you will be get false. Boolean of double quotation, I mean nothing but this, you will get false. Okay, boolean of double parenthesis, you will be get false. Okay, boolean of curly bracket within the parenthesis, you will be get false. Okay, so this is the actual concept for some values are false. And last one is functions can be written as boolean. Functions can be written as boolean. Okay, that is simply you are taking that in detail concept we will discuss in the next video. So this is my class is, that is a function name, then you can take, then you can define, and double underscore len double underscore and self function and return 0, return 0. Then you can take my object can be represented as my class, then you can represent is it okay or not. Simply you can take print of boolean of my object. Okay, you will get the result is false. Okay, so this is the actual various types of boolean functions in Python. Okay, thank you.